guys, when you're going on Croydon flyover, where the fire station is, you've got 3 signs to follow: Bromley, Addington, Sutton. If they ask you Bromley, stay in left lane. If they ask you go to Addington, stay in middle lane. If they ask you Sutton, stay in right lane. So we're gonna go to Addington, we're gonna stay in middle lane. So roundabout, follow the routine, so you know who priority people coming from right, no one's coming. So don't go too far right, don't go too far left, just keep it to the left here. And when you're going around, and do your routine. And from here it will be 2 lane. If you're going to Addington, keep it far left and look to right if no one's coming. Okay guys, to Bromley. Once we pass this exit, do the routine, change the lane to left lane. Now we're taking a first exit, do your routine, leave the signal alone because we're turning left, we're taking first exit. Roundabout, look to your right, no one's coming, continues. Now we're gonna stay in left lane. From here, they put the new road marking here. Now it's a 2 lane, so stay in left lane. Speed limit is 30. Now from here, you will see the sign on the right hand side. You are merging to the main road. Once you pass the bend, start doing your routine. Your instructor will tell you more in detail. So do your routine, look into your mirrors, and you join into this lane here. There used to be sign there, but the sign is not there anymore. We're gonna follow the sign to A20. It's now A232. We're gonna follow this. Stay here as you're going to 7 Oak Bromley. Stay here. Keep looking down to the road marking. Stay behind here. If you look down, it says nice and clear. Follow your lane. Stay in your lane. Once you pass this East Croydon sign, this traffic light, if it's a sat nav, then sat nav will tell you cross the roundabout, turn right, 3rd exit. So as you pass this traffic light, change the lane to right lane, because we're gonna follow the sign to South Croydon, which is 3rd exit on your right. Same route again, Croydon flyover. This time we're going to follow the sign to Sutton. So you need to be in your right lane, do your routine. Stay in right lane, and it's the 3rd exit on your right. Roundabout, do your routine, keep going around, 3rd exit, this is 1. 2, start drifting out, do your routine, and start coming up from the roundabout. From here, if they ask you follow sign to Sutton, then you stay in right lane. If they ask you follow sign to local traffic, and then you stay in left lane. Okay, when you guys come from this side, they're gonna ask you to come off, follow the sign to Mitcham. You're gonna come off from here. When you come off, just keep it to right side lane. As you can see, the left is turning left to the car park. Stay in right side lane. When you come here, that means you're going back to test center. They're going to ask you follow the sign to Mitcham. The sign is displayed on the left hand side. The Mitcham is right. Third exit on your right. Sometimes this roundabout can be very busy, so just keep looking. When it's safe, do your routine. So when you enter, keep it to right side. As you go around, just start drifting to the left. So don't keep it too far right. Start drifting to the left and mirror, do your routine, and then come out from here. And the speed limit is 40. Do not go 40 till you pass the sign. Now you can go to 40.